Now in this lecture we will try to learn how to draw basic 3D shapes and how we can edit them. And secondly, we will see how to draw 2D curves. The basic setting I have told you in a lecture 3. You can do all those settings, and after that you start your project. First go into a modeling tab. Here are shapes. These are the 3D shapes, and there are curves, 2D curves. We will see both of them. First we are going to create a box. Here you can see that the mouse coordinates are showing the position where you want to draw this box. Just double click, and at the second position again double click, and after that you have to decide height and double click, and this box will be appear. If you want to draw all the axes in the start of project on this box, just press escape key, and if you want to in the middle of using a command, you want to that command delete, you press backspace. From here you can change the axis and you can preview. After that you have to give it a name. Similarly, we can also assign a material. We will see in next lecture how we can assign and what are different kinds of material we have in a library. But by default is vacuum is selected. Just press OK. This is your box. Now I have selected sphere. If I have selected it, this command is with wrong, so I can press backspace. This will be finished. Now here you can edit the orientation of this, and similarly the coordinates and radius, and press on OK. If you want to edit this box, just go into a navigation tree, just double click on box, define break and edit. You can also edit it here, but here you can see that the name box and component and material boxes is not shown here, but you can also edit it. Just press OK and close. Now how we can change the name? Just go to here, component and box, and right click. Here you can see it. You can change the name box to box 1. Similarly, you can also change the materials. We will see how we will assign material and how we can change this material whenever we want. Similarly, you can hide it and you can show it again. The commands of CST work by double left clicking. after that their dialog box is automatically open. The best point is in CST is we can change coordinate and also we can preview it from here, and also we can show the mouse coordinates. That also help while drawing a diagram. And also whoever diagram we create, there is a dialog box automatically appear. You can see that the dialog mark is automatically appear. At the end of the design of antenna or a filter, we don't need to make this dialog box for radiation purpose. In this way, cylinder, first the upper radius will be defined and after that the second radius. You can also do that all these from this dialog box. Similarly, you can draw other shapes as such. You can practice all these shapes 2D and 3D before starting your CST projects. The circle, double click the where you want to start the radius of your circle, and after that the end point of radius. Here you can see that for ellipse, center point and radius point, and after that the orientation. In next lecture we will see how we can use the pick commands and view command.